Hi, you just completed an exploration where you used an accelerometer to control your microbit. Let's summarize what you learned. We learned how to use the acceleration sensor, which returns the value of the accelerometer in one of three dimensions, x, y, or z. Dimension.x corresponds to a tilt of the device left or right, dimension.y corresponds to a tilt forwards and backwards, and dimension z corresponds to a tilt up or down. We also learned how to use the map function. This function takes a value in one range and maps it to another range. The parameters we need to give the function are the value to be mapped, the low and high end of the initial range, respectively, and the low and high end of the desired range, respectively. For example, if we had the number 2 in the range from 0 to 4 and mapped this value to the range of 0 to 10, our number would take on the value of 5. We can see that these values are in the same position when looking at the total range of numbers. The map function is helpful when using a value read by the sensor to set the value of another component when they don't produce or use values in the same range. For example, our accelerometer provides values from -1023 to 1023, and our LED brightness can be set to a value in the range of 0 to 255. We can use the map function to map an acceleration value to a new range so that it can be used to control the brightness of an LED. Now it's your turn to use this information to develop programs of your own.